Squid ink pasta, a culinary adventure. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a unique and intriguing dish, squid ink pasta. This dish is not only delicious but also has an interesting history and preparation method. Let's explore what makes squid ink pasta so special and how it's made. Squid ink pasta is an Italian delicacy, known for its striking black color and rich, savory flavor. The key ingredient, squid ink, is harvested from the ink sacs of squids. This ink is then used to color and flavor the pasta, giving it a unique marine taste and a smooth, silky texture. Historically, squid ink has been used in Mediterranean and Japanese cuisines for centuries. It was initially used to add depth of flavor to seafood dishes. In Italy, it became popular for its ability to add a dramatic flair and distinct taste to pasta and risotto. Squid ink adds more than just color to a dish. It imparts a briny, umami flavor that enhances the taste of seafood. This ingredient is also known for its health benefits, including high levels of iron and antioxidants. Making squid ink pasta involves incorporating the ink into the pasta dough or mixing it into the sauce. The key is to balance the ink's intensity with other ingredients like garlic, olive oil, and seafood, creating a harmonious and flavorful dish. I hope you enjoyed learning about squid ink pasta. It's a dish that beautifully combines flavor, tradition, and culinary art. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about different cuisines, trying squid ink pasta is definitely an adventure for your taste buds. Happy cooking and eating!